Yes, business, business. Hey, there you are. I've been waiting for you. Hold on, I got to finish this. Business, business. Buy low, sell high. Business. Okay, thanks. Sorry, I had to take that. It was a business call. Hey, listen, if you saw my first video, and judging from the tens of subscribers I received, you did. Thank you. If you didn't see it, it's right there. You know that on my trip down to Thunder Hill, my bike got pounded with rain, sleet, snow, hail, road debris. I got down there, that thing looked like it had been buried in the ground for a month. I can't do that to that motorcycle, so we've got to get an enclosed cargo trailer. You know what that means? We're going SHOPPING. We're shopping. I'm going to get changed and we'll go. Hold on. I'm changed. Let's go. So I've done the research, and I either want a 6x10 or a 6x12. Now a 6x12 with a 3-foot tongue, that's going to add an extra 15 feet behind an already 26-foot RV. That's a lot of length to be driving down the road, and that makes me a little anxious. 6x10 is definitely a little bit more manageable, but you know, it's nice to have that extra storage inside. So I'm not really sure which way I'm leaning right now, but why don't we go check them out and we'll see. Come on. Oh, by the way, that's the name I danced under in college. Hey ladies. So this is the 6x10. It's made by a company in Oregon. Great manufacturing. It definitely has enough room inside for one bike and gear. If I wanted to get 2 bikes in there, I could probably do it, no problem. No gear though. So this is definitely on the short list. Nice trailer. White? It's gonna get dirty. Let's go check out the 6x12. I'm thinking about trading in the RV and getting one of these. I wonder if it comes in black. One thing I do like about this 6x12 is this door. It's like a garage door that pulls down super easy. That needs to be oiled immediately. Oh, my neck, that hurts. Look how easy that opens, just with one hand. It's like a garage door. It's on these 2 spindles that pull straight down, slides right back in. That's a nice feature. I do like this one a lot. I like the silver. I like the extra space. You could put some racks up here for storage. Already has tie downs for the bikes, 2 lights, airflows for in and out. This is really nice. Plus the ramp is great and I like the door. I do like the extra space. Plus when I'm not using it on the weekends, I could rent it out for dance parties. My daughter's gonna hate that I just dabbed, but I'm gonna do it again. The key to negotiation is never take their best price. They're going to come in high, you got to come in low. You've got to be willing to walk away. Never take their first offer, okay? But let's go in and see if we can do a deal. Come on. Let's talk about this deal.
All right. Well, Rodney, this is my best price.
I'll take it.
Awesome. I'll start the paperwork.
Perfect, thank you. Hey, that was fun, right? Thanks so much for coming with me. You're good company. Down in the comments, if you own a cargo trailer, could you let me know how you tricked yours out? What kind of flooring you put in it? What kind of shelving? How do you store stuff? Where did you mount the spare? There's a lot to learn on this thing. I have no idea what I'm doing. So any help would be super appreciated. And again, thanks so much for joining me. If you had a good time and you liked the channel and the videos, please give it a thumbs up, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share with your friends. I'd love to have some more people joining us in this party. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you out on the highway.